Thank you very much. My gratitude and appreciation to the organizers for inviting me to this forum. In case I run out of time, just to summarize my presentation, there are very important challenges to economic growth globally, and ASEAN has many programs to address these challenges on a regional basis. The challenges are presented in an endogenous growth framework wherein quality and quantity are both important, quality and quantity of inputs. The categories of the major challenges are factors of production, land, capital, labor, macroeconomic stability, and the issue of sustainability. So under factors of production, the first issue is that there's a dearth of physical infrastructure. ADB estimates $8 trillion between 2010 and 2020 for developing Asia. This includes China. Unfortunately, many developed countries have chronic fiscal crisis and are unable to assist in this fiscal infrastructure, lack of fiscal infrastructure. We have to look at public-private partnerships, and the issue is with AIIB provide a significant boost. Innovation, okay, quality of factors of production. There's a concern that there's a slowdown of innovation, but Professor Sachs made a presentation where he pointed out there's not one big bang in terms of invention or innovation, but there are pockets of innovation in fields like genomics, nanotechnology, biotechnology, that are indeed sustaining the effort in innovation, but there's a need to balance IPR protection and access for developing countries, something that Professor Saki mentioned a while ago. And then there is a need to upgrade skills. This can be summarized as follows. There are too few high-skilled workers and too few jobs for low and medium-skilled workers. So we have to address this job skills mismatch. There should be closer coordination among academic, government, private sector. We have to promote technical vocational education training, and then we have also to look at the quality of education. Okay, in terms of macroeconomic stability, the main concern present is financial sector stability rising from the 2008 crisis, volatile capital flows, other issues. There should be a clear role for capital account regulations and sovereign debt workout mechanisms. Okay. Part of macroeconomic stability and related to lack of fiscal infrastructure is narrow fiscal space, largely because of the impact of aging populations, the need to maintain macroeconomic stability. You can spend so much, which leads also to a lack of public goods. And one example is the undercapitalization of the World Bank and also the United Nations. Macroeconomic stability also involves policy coordination, and the G20, this is the primary task of the G20, and so far the results are not very encouraging. We have to address macroeconomic imbalances and also financial sector instability. Under the issue of sustainability, of course, we have environmental management, climate change, mitigation and adaptation mechanisms. The issue about inequality, which has eroded the middle class, issue of inclusive growth, the need to rebalance and diversify products, rebalance the economy, and demographic winter in many countries, which also has to be addressed. Okay, so ASEAN has many programs in place to address these challenges. There's a master plan for ASEAN connectivity. We have good cooperation in education, ASEAN Quality Assurance Network, for example. We have in place also a forum or a platform to discuss intra-regional migration. We have the ASEAN Declaration on Protection and Promotion of Rights of Migrant Workers, as an example. ASEAN has also been involved in close financial cooperation. They're active participants in CMIM and AMRO. They have this roadmap for monetary and financial integration. And very importantly, ASEAN is a prime mover in SME development. Okay, I beat you to it. is in SME development, and SME development is important for balancing and inclusiveness. So ASEAN has also programs in environment, ASEAN environmental cooperation in 10 priority areas, and we have to recall the overall goal of ASEAN in promoting economic growth and address these challenges of economic growth. Okay, so you have single market, highly competitive economic region, and the others. Okay, so with that, my usual thank you in ASEAN. Terima kasih banyak-banyak.